this morning we're dealing with extremely dangerous market conditions. Bullish rally overextended, but institutions continue buying this market. We're watching this brutal chop on S&P and Dow. We're quite aware that this is very important day trading support on both S&P and Dow. Brilliant intelligent trader watching 1-minute chart. Brilliant intelligent trader not touching any shorts. So when the scanner giving you alert, intelligent trader understands. Wait for more market congruency. Do not jump on bandwagon randomly. Why? Because we are at historical high. If you take a look at institutional chart on S&P, look how high we are. If you take a look at institutional chart on Dow, look how high we are. Institutions continue buying every single pullback since December 2018. It's a vertical curve. So when I work with JP Morgan traders and they take 0 shorts since December 2018, it's a stunning reminder. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System based on institutional bias. Problem this morning, market extremely high. Wait for more congruency. Do not pull a trigger randomly. When you witness bearish crawl, you're quite aware. Buyers exhausted, sellers are worthless. Very dangerous markets now and more ahead. So if you can deal with this, if you are placing longs, you understand the danger of historical high. You understand the danger of overextended markets. Nothing conservative about this trading. Zero zilch. Agree? So let's take a look at the events of this week as we're monitoring this chop, as we're waiting for meaning. We have zero interest in baits. We have only interest in quality trades. So this long currently in a progress already. The long that showed up on the scanner. Intelligent trader knows that. Intelligent trader understands where buyers are coming from. However, the fact that we are so high, intelligent trader waiting for more congruency. Nothing random about this trade, that again extremely aggressive. Your stop is not speculative, it's precise. On this extremely aggressive trade, this is crucial moment now in front of you. And when the scanners start lighting up more and more alerts on S&P, you're not surprised where it's coming from. Institutional bias is bullish, remains. That's your only option this morning. Extremely aggressive longs. Correct? And that's the power of the method. The software is showing you this is crucial target. The software is showing you if you will choose not to touch this as a target, in this market condition you're trading against yourself. Respecting this as a target, taking profits off the table and moving your stop outside of break-even is crucial. The trade is not on 1 minute. Trade converted to one on purpose. That's the only option this morning. And again, that's a stunning reminder. Understand what institutions do. And if you're utilizing Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, you're trading with ultimate precision, ultimate consistency, ultimate stress-free trading. So there is no surprise here, traders, as I warned you. Decision point 2 is absolutely crucial target. Correct? because we are dealing with historical high traders. Software also identifies this as ultimate exit point. Clear on this? Even during the most challenging market conditions, Alpha Fibonacci Trading System show you with ultimate accuracy where to enter, where to exit your trade to the tick. And if we will take a look on the events of this week, let me remind you what played out. So when Dow reached critical Alpha Fibonacci target, Dow already pulled back 10 points, as expected. So there is a very big difference between this trade on S&P versus this trade on Dow versus this trade on S&P. Here's a trade on S&P. If ranking on this trade maximum 7 out of 10, the ranking on this trade on S&P maximum 6 out of 10. However, this morning, this is your only option. 0 shorts in the market, even at historical high. Clear on this? We stayed through massive chop. We stayed through massive junk. Once again, we are on the right side of the market. Once you master price action and you apply Fibonacci, every single day your trading will become easier, will become more predictable. Market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. Dealing with historical high, dealing with overextended rally, dealing with extremely narrow trading range, not a problem. Only longs in a progress. Clear on that? So Dow drastically higher for a very good reason. Very different two trades. Again, none of them on 1 minute. I converted everything on purpose to 1 minute. S&P scrolling. S&P is stuck. Dow is flying. So this is the reason I brought Dow to the room in the last few months. Dow becoming absolutely favorite. 95% of the time, you are trading on Dow less than 15 minutes per day. More and more bullish alerts in a play. Did we know or did we know? Of course. Intelligent trader understands, despite historical high, this is your only option this morning. How many points did Dow move? 25. How many points did S&P move? Less than 2. And that's the power of sniper's mentality. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci Trading System. Stop on Dow moved, not in random place. Stop is never touched. So when you're witnessing how crucial this resistance is, and you will choose not to take some profits off the table, and you choose not to adjust your stop, you're in serious trouble. Clear on that? Very different trade on Dows and S&P. Very. 3 longs, moving up very, very fast. Every single trade, different stop, different target. Intelligent trader chooses the best trade for his or her account. Intelligent trader adjusts the trail very close on Dow. 28,848. Dow moved up 25 points. S&P moved up 2.5. Adjust your trail very, very close on S&P. Take the profits of the table. If you're trading multiple lot size, that's your only excuse to remain in this trade. So one of the worst, most painful mornings ever. Once again, Alpha Fibonacci Trading System showing you ultimate precision, ultimate power, ultimate stress-free trading. Adjust your trail even closer on Dow, S&P in very different place, struggling immensely as expected. Software identified clearly. If you will choose to ignore this as a target, if you will choose not to adjust your trail, you are in serious trouble. Two very different trades. So if you're witnessing S&P struggling at this level, brilliant intelligent trader is not surprised. Again, entirely different two trades. Completely. So you're witnessing drastically different targets on S&P versus Dow, as you're witnessing the importance of taking profits off the table and adjusting your trail very, very closely, yes? So every single thing with Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is predictive because Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the markets. Did we know or did we know to expect this on Dow here? Of course. It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Long on Dow is out from 28,830 to 28,865. S&P very different trade. There is no 30-20 points. There is only 2. This resistance is a major problem. Very different trade. All precise. All identified in advance. So again, after struggling immensely at critical resistance, S&P is rallying. As you're witnessing, trail was placed in perfect place, yes? Adjust your trail even closer on S&P. S&P 3 points later. Adjust your trail very, very close. Take some profits off the table. Exact same thing you do on Apple, exact same thing you do on Bitcoin, exact same thing you do on oil. I work with all the traders that trade all of these instruments. Every single trader different account, every single trader different trade hold time. Your choice what you want to trade. In the trading room you see instantly the power and precision of the method. You see instantly that nothing in the market is random. And that's what played out this morning. To recap, S&P. We stayed out through all this junk. We discussed we're only interested in bullish trades. We discussed that every single short has success rate of less than 20%. We stayed out through massive junk for almost 40 minutes. Intelligent trader operates as sniper. Intelligent trader understands. S&P extremely high, but the fact that Alpha Fibonacci support respected, your only option to buy. This ultimate trend inception, this ultimate bottom right after bombing by Iran of US base in Iraq, shown you very, very clearly. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is present. No matter how horrific news is, look to buy. There is no comparison between long here versus long here. This is aggressive trade. This morning, your only option. Dow, identical thing. We stayed out through so much junk, we stayed out through so much pain. We had zero interest in shorts, only longs in a play. Dow this week, done exact same thing. Skyrocketed with vengeance from trend inception. Identified days in advance, despite bombing and horrific news from Iraq. Bullish rally right now from ultimate trend inception, more than 700 points. It's a beautiful, beautiful news for intelligent trader, but it is extremely aggressive trading. And that's your day trading charts, and that's your institutional chart. Weekly remains vertical, present in front of you 4 years. So if you're ready to become quality trader, I look forward to working with you. You want to trade 1 minute? You want to trade 5 minutes? Why not? Choice is yours. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is a complete semi-automated trading system with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. System identifies precise stops and targets on any instrument. Method traded in Wall Street and more than 50 countries since 2011 on futures, stocks, forex, options, ETFs. Instruments I've never heard of. See and watch what students do and decide what you want to trade. All precise, nothing is random. Please review the information on the products as you have 4 options available. And whatever option is appropriate for you, for group mentoring or private mentoring, simply sign up on the website. And you do not have to trade with software. You can easily trade without. There are traders on MT4, Thinkorswim, Sierra Charts, interactive brokers. You can also utilize software NinjaTrader and place your trades elsewhere. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me at 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. S&P keeps rallying. Stop remains respected. Every single thing in the method is precise. And that's the power of the method. And if you will decide to trade Apple or Tesla or oil, it's not a problem. All identified in advance. So what oil will do this week at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone will be very interesting. Exact same thing as Apple had done, rallying from ultimate bottom. Identified in advance. How Tesla destroyed all the shorts and rallied from ultimate bottom is also no surprise. I will review it all in detail in webinar this morning in a couple of hours. So thank you traders so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this morning. I hope you enjoyed the power and precision of the method. And if you're ready to join us, I look forward to working with you. Hundreds and hundreds of videos available that you can watch 24/7. Students from Sydney to Saudi Arabia, to Dubai, to Malaysia, to Florida, to any part of the world in the course right now. You don't have to be present in live classes. You can simply view recordings. Again, any questions? I look forward to speaking with you. Do not hesitate to pick up the phone. Do not hesitate to email, but first, review the information pretty please if you're serious about trading.